In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a subtask in Smartsheet step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. Subtasks are one of the most powerful features in Smartsheet because they help you break down big tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces while keeping everything organized in one place. If you're using Smartsheet for project management, task tracking, or team collaboration, this is something you definitely need to know. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Smartsheet account and open the sheet where you want to add a subtask. This works in Grid View, which is the most common view people use for task management. Once your sheet is open, take a moment to identify the main task that you want to break down into a subtask. This main task is often called the parent row. For example, this could be something like a project phase, a milestone, or a larger task that includes multiple smaller actions. Next, click once on the row that you want to turn into a subtask, or the row that you want to place under a parent task. Make sure the row is selected so Smartsheet knows exactly where you're working. Now, look at the toolbar at the top of your sheet. You'll see an option called Indent. This is the key button that allows you to create subtasks in Smartsheet. Go ahead and click on Indent. As soon as you do this, the selected row will shift slightly to the right. This visual shift means that the row is now a subtask under the row directly above it. That top row becomes the parent task, and the indented row becomes the subtask. You've now successfully added a subtask in Smartsheet. At this point, you can rename the subtask, assign it to a team member, set a due date, or update the status just like you would with any other task. One really useful thing to know is that you can create multiple subtasks under the same parent task. Just add more rows underneath the parent, select them one by one, and click Indent again. All of those rows will become subtasks grouped under the same main task. If you ever need to undo this, Smartsheet makes it very easy. Simply select the subtask row and click Outdent in the toolbar. This will move the row back to the main task level. This is helpful if you change your project structure or accidentally indent the wrong row. Using subtasks properly can make your Smartsheet much more organized and easier to read, especially for larger projects with lots of moving parts. It also helps your team quickly understand which tasks belong together and what needs to be completed next. And that's it. That's exactly how to add a subtask in Smartsheet using the Indent feature. If this video saved you time or made Smartsheet easier to use, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step Smartsheet guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.